The Loftus and Palmer study consisted of 2 experiments. In the first experiment, 45 participants were shown 7 clips of traffic accidents. They were then divided into 5 groups of 9 and asked a series of specific questions. But the critical one was about the speed of the vehicles.
So some witnesses might be asked how fast were the cars going when they hit each other. Others might be asked how fast were the cars going when they smashed into each other, and different verbs of contact were used.
Participants in the first group were asked to estimate how fast the cars were going when they smashed into one another. The second group was asked how fast they were going when they collided with each other. For the third group, the verb was bumped. For the fourth, it was hit. And for the fifth group, it was contacted. So this is an independent measures experiment. The independent variable was the verb of contact, and the dependent variable the participant's estimation of the speed.
We found that by just changing a word or two in the question, you could significantly affect the answer that somebody gave. So people, if you asked the smashed question, they told us the cars were going faster than if you asked a question with one of the other verbs like hit or contacted.
When the word smashed was used, the average estimate of the car's speed was nearly 41 miles an hour, almost 10 miles an hour faster than when the word contacted was used. It could be that participants' memories had actually been changed, or it could be that participants were adjusting their estimates to fit with the expectations implied in the question. But in either case, this has massive implications for the criminal justice system, because Loftus and Palmer's experiments suggest that changing a word or two in a question can significantly alter the answer the witness gives you. The implication of this, then, is that witnesses can be led, intentionally or unintentionally, towards remembering something in a way that the questioner wants or expects. But the Loftus and Palmer study didn't end there.
But then we went on to show that those questions are important because not only is the wording of a question something that can influence the immediate answer, but it can have a long-range effect. It can affect the answer that somebody gives to a different question that you put to them later on.